Hello, welcome to your next car and a walk around video for the 2017 430D M Sport Convertible, presented in the fantastic Snapper Ox Blue, alongside some very nice BMW options. Of course, the vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. So you'll see there at the front of the car, it is a facelift Model 4 Series, so we get those wonderful darkened LED headlamps. We've also made the addition of adding the 20-inch CS style alloy wheels that are in the frozen black. Sitting very nicely behind those 20-inch alloys are the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 430D convertible we do also have the full M Sport Plus package. Down the side you can see the satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, which work really well with that lighter Snapper Ox Blue colour. The vehicle also comes with a very special interior colour. It is the dark Natch Blue Dakota leather, which for both the drivers and passengers you do get the electric movement, heated seats, and the air collar system there as well. That's a great addition. We've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, of course, and we also have the wonderful Harman Kardon surround sound. Both exterior and interior on this vehicle are exceptionally clean and tidy. You'll see there the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, and neatly behind there is the wind deflector, which can be clipped in behind the driver's and passenger seat to, of course, stop with some of that wind turbulence that can be experienced at higher speeds. Onto the rear of the car now, where of course we're going to open up the boot, which is of course often a compromised space within any folding top convertible. However, BMW do think of everything, and there is a switch to operate the roof out of the boot space. So whilst that's activating, it is of course worth mentioning we are now offering a click and collect service here at Your Next Car under the new UK government guidelines. To find out more about that, simply follow the links down below in the description, and we do have all of the relevant details on our website around that. So there you can see now with the roof all the way out, it's a very large boot space within the 4 Series convertible, and having that little button there really does make use of your full metal folding hardtop. Once that's all neatly closed away, we're going to hop on around to the driver's side, and then shortly we will enter the car and talk to you more about this vehicle's amazing interior features. Again, showing you off that amazing Snapper Ox Blue colour. Really is a very nice colour, works well with all of the additions we've made. We'll hop on inside now, as there is yet a lot to get through. We've got power folding mirrors. We've also got the professional wide navigation and a media screen. In the meantime, I'm simply going to activate the roof and close that all the way up properly, which is a really quick and easy thing to do. Simply push this button forward. It can be used at speeds of 15 miles an hour and below, of course. The vehicle mileage is 853, as you can see there. I did also mention the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It also comes with cruise control and a speed limiter option, along with all of the voice and volume controls on your multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And there you can now see the roof movement has been completed, and we'll show you around this wonderful navigation and media system. It's a really user-friendly system in terms of the sat-nav. It also has real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. There you can see all of the Bluetooth functions, so Bluetooth telephone and audio, and we do also get DAB as well as music collection, CD, DVD, and you'll use your Bluetooth audio, USB and AUX inputs. This vehicle also comes with a rear-facing reversing camera, which is a real unique feature to a convertible, really handy tool. And I did also mention the service history for the car is full BMW. It's not due a service for 16,000 miles, and there is all of the service history, comprehensive for BMW. So thank you guys, I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around and of course been able to find it useful. Should you want some more information on this car, as I mentioned a moment ago, if you follow all of the links down below, that will take you through to our website. You can find all of the prices and funding options for this magnificent 4 Series convertible. Thank you very much, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.